Doing a headlight upgrade on a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Going from the stock headlights to an aftermarket. And we'll just kind of show you what's going on. One of the first things you got to do is you got to get the front nose off. They do have a little clip that twists right in here. You just give it a turn and it pops right out. And they've got one of those on both sides. Then we'll have to remove these pins on both sides and the screw right there. They've got the twist pins also underneath. So we'll get those. Get the stuff removed underneath that we need to get removed. And then pins up here.
There's just a 10mm bolt that's going to come out of there.
And there's rivets on the side. Those usually need to drill out. access the light, you have to remove the clips holding this trim down. That will give you access to the top bolt on the headlight. Alright, with this kit, we've got a module to make sure it's hooked up. And then it's just the reverse process. Put everything back up.
Alright, run into a snag. We're having to change the plugs, and this sometimes happens when you use online parts. We won't get into the whole where I sell online parts, but it does happen from time to time. Even if it says it fits a certain gear range, sometimes the plugs are not exactly the same. We are going to solder these right? Oh, I got some. So I'll go get my solder and stuff. We'll put these together the right way, and we'll be back with it in just a second. All right, give us some parking lights, Brian. Sweet. Give us some headlights. High beam. Woohoo. Low beam. There you go. Give us a little left turn signal. Nice. Little right turn signal. Nice. Cool deal. They look good. Let's see how this thing looks. Fire it up. Let's make sure everything looks good. Fog lights. Turn the fog lights on. There you go. Nice. Alright, now we're adjusting the headlights on the Jeep. We're going to walk you through the basic procedure. We set a mark on the door at 34, which is 2 inches lower than the center of the headlight. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a piece of tape we put on the door over there. The high side of that step, right, where are we at? Oh, there we go. Right over there, that high side is in line with the tape. This side you need to bring up. And you want the high step on this side to match the low on that side, right? Okay. You want these two to intersect across here. Just like that, right? From there. But yeah, ladies and gents, it's that easy with projectors. You measure to the center of the light. Go what? 2 inches below it, 25 feet. You set the passenger side first. You set your step over here with your line, with your measurement. Then the driver's side, you bring your high step right here in line with the low step on this side. That's how your projectors are stepped to work.